Hello students, today we are going to start new topic and that is excretion. First of all, we will discuss what is excretion. So we will discuss about definition of and topic which we are going to start is excretion in plants and animals. So what is excretion? The process of removal or elimination of metabolic waste from the body is called as excretion. Metabolic waste like nitrogenous products. So excretion is the process of removal or elimination of metabolic waste from the body through excretory organs. So this process called as excretion. Now what is waste material? Waste materials are ammonia, urea, uric acid. So we can say they are nitrogenous waste and they are ammonia, urea, uric acid, etc. Nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid. Now there are various metabolic activities are occurred inside the body and as a result various kind of excretory products are produced through body inside the or we can say inside the body. So excretory materials are produced inside the body by metabolic activities and various kind of metabolic activities are occurred inside the body like we can say photosynthesis which is occurred in plants, we can say respiration which is occurred plants, animals both, and process of digestion, process of urine formation. They all are metabolic activities which are occurred inside the body as a result many kind of excretory products are produced. So we can say as a result of various kind of metabolic activities. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start excretion in plants. As we know that plants do not have any special kind of organs like animals for excretion, but they have stomatas, lenticles, and with the help of stomata lenticles, by the process of diffusion, excretion process is occurred in plants. So we can say plants do not have special organs like for excretion, but excretion occurred in plants through stomata or lenticles by diffusion process. By diffusion process. So we can say in plants excretion is occurred through stomata or lenticles, and excretory materials in plants, we can say they are carbon dioxide, we can say water, and we also can say in process of photosynthesis, O2 is also excreted out through plants. So oxygen, we can say for plants, is a excretory material. So excretory materials of plants. Carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen, they are eliminated through stomata or lenticles. And except these excretory materials, some another excretory materials also present in inside the plant, which are produced again through many metabolic activities, and they are, for example, rubber, some other excretory material of plant, tannin, resin, gum, mucilage, sandalwood oil, and eucalyptus oil, or we can say sandalwood oil, eucalyptus oil, etc. etc. So it is all about excretion in plants. Now we are going to start excretion in animals. And as we know, in compared to plants, animals have special organ for excretory, for excretion and for excretory system. So, and animals have various kind of excretory system. So we can say organs of excretion present in animals. Organs of excretion, in which first organ we're going to study is lungs. Lungs in animals, two lungs are present, and lungs are excretory organ because in lungs process of breathing is occurred, in which exchange of gases like carbon dioxide and oxygen is occurred, in which oxygen uh, oxygen is inhaled by animals, and carbon dioxide is exhaled by organism, by animals. So in this case, carbon dioxide is a excretory material for animals. So we can say CO2 produced by the oxidation of glucose or other food substances in the tissue is removed by the blood. This carbon dioxide is carried to the lungs through the blood vessels, where it diffuses into the alveoli and out through the respiratory tract. So we can say in process of respiration, carbon dioxide by animals, and exchange of these gases is occurred through lungs, and CO2, which is we can say excretory material and released by the oxidation of food, and oxidation of food is occurred by oxygen. So CO2 is released by oxidation of food, which is occurred by oxygen. Now this CO2 play role as an excretory material and excreted out through lungs outside the body. It is all about lungs, which is a organs of one of organ of excretion. Now, second organ of excretion is the skin. Substances like soluble food matter, oxygen, water, dissolved mineral salts, trace of urea and uric acid diffuse from the thin walls of capillaries into the walls of sweat gland. We can say skin also play a role in excretion, and substances like soluble food matter, water, dissolved mineral salts, trace of urea and uric acid diffuse from the thin wall of capillaries into the walls of sweat gland. And this sweat gland, with the help of sweat duct, this sweat gland opens on the surface of skin, and all excretory material which we have discussed are excreted out through skin. It is about, we have discussed about second excretory organ, that is skin. Now third excretory organ, which is an important excretory organ of body, that is kidney. Now humans have two kidneys which help in removal of urea in form of urine. After that, we will discuss about excretory products of humans. As a result of various metabolic processes going on in our body, a number of these products are formed, and these have to be eliminated as they are toxic to the body. So they are, the waste products are, first is carbon dioxide, CO2, which is liberated during respiration and is eliminated by lungs. CO2 is excretory material which is produced in a metabolic activity called as respiration process, and eliminated by the lungs. Next excretory material is nitrogenous metabolic waste. And nitrogenous metabolic waste are very important excretory products of our body, such as urea and uric acid produced in the liver from oxidation of protein. So they are urea and uric acids. They are such kind of nitrogenous metabolic waste, and they are produced in liver by oxidation of proteins, and they are very harmful, we can say very harmful for our bodies. So they are instantly excreted out throughout the body, and they are excreted out through the excretion system of body, which is called as kidney system. Next excretory material of humans is bile pigments. Now bile pigment derived by the breaking down of hemoglobin of the derived by breakdown of hemoglobin of the erythrocyte. By breaking down of hemoglobin of the erythrocyte. Now next is excess salts, water and vitamins. If salts, water, vitamins, they are present inside the body in excess amount, and we can say concentration of these substances above the required level, they are harmful for the body, they are harmful to the body, and because of this, due to this, they have to excrete it, they have to excrete out throughout the. So they are excretory products of humans. Now in next class we will discuss about excretory system of human, in which we will discuss about kidney system, which is a important and unique excretory system of animals.